Unique Generation 8 Decades of Changes in Work Life, 1940 to 1950. Industrialization and post-war economic boom lead to growth in manufacturing and blue-collar jobs. Traditional work environments with hierarchical structures and limited opportunities for women and minorities. 1960 to 1970. Rise of white-collar professions and administrative roles in corporate environments. Emergence of labor movements advocating for workplace safety, fair wages, and equal rights. 1980 to 1990. Growth of the service sector and information economy, leading to increased demand for skilled professionals in technology, finance, and healthcare. Introduction of personal computers and office automation technology, transforming office workflows and communication methods. 2000 to 2010. Rise of the gig economy and freelance work, facilitated by digital platforms like Uber, Airbnb, and Upwork. Increasing emphasis on work-life balance and employee well-being, with companies implementing flexible work arrangements and wellness programs. 2020. Acceleration of remote work trends due to the COVID-19 pandemic, leading to a widespread adoption of telecommuting and virtual collaboration tools. These changes illustrate the evolution of transportation, communication, appliances, and technology over the past 8 decades, reflecting advancements in science, engineering, and societal needs.